Buyer showing activity continues to decrease from the high point of July 12th, where showings were up 52.5%. Activity has declined week over week since September 16th. Annapolis has fewer homes this week than in past weeks. Only 36 new listings came to market since last week. That puts 275 homes actively for sale. 17 are coming soon. 29 are temporarily off the market. The Annapolis rental market is down to only 26 homes listed between $1,095 and $5,000. 3 will be coming soon between $1,875 and $2,550. It's Friday, October 2nd, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. 21401 has a total of 134 homes for sale. In the past week, 4 homes were listed as coming soon. 10 went active, 14 went under contract, with an average of 24 days. 7 went pending, 2 are temporarily off the market, and 22 have settled since last Friday, with sellers getting 100% median of list price in 15 days. 21403 has a total of 90 homes for sale. 7 recently listed as coming soon. 15 are newly active. 7 went under contract in 25 days. 2 moved to pending. 1 temporarily off the market, and 16 homes sold since last Friday, averaging 27 days in a median list to sales ratio of 100% between 184 and the highest sale logged this past week for $4,628,750. 21405 had 1 home go temporarily off the market in Sherwood Forest, priced at $1,350,000, and 1 home closed for $2,900,000. Zip code 21409 has a total of 51 for sale. 6 will be coming soon. 11 are new to the market. 2 went into temp off, and 4 went under contract in 8 days. 3 are pending. 16 homes closed since last Friday, with a median sold to list price of 100% in 6 days. Have a question about your situation? Contact us at 443-776-0996 because we have answers for you to make intelligent decisions. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. It's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 2nd, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.